welcome back. Today's video I'll be showing you how I made this delicious hot water cornbread. So let's get started. Here we go. So here is our ingredients. We're gonna use 2 cups of meal. I already have poured one in, so I'm gonna add 1 more cup. A half a cup of flour. 1 tablespoon of sugar if you desire. You don't have to use sugar if you don't want. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And we're gonna mix this together. Okay, 1 cup of hot water as needed. You just kind of mix it until you get the consistency that you want. At this point, I'm gonna go ahead and add my 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna add a little bit more water. Okay, see how that is? It's real thick like, but it's not too thin because we don't want it to be thin. We want it to be thick. Okay, so we're gonna set this aside. Okay, now we're gonna make the patties. We let them sit just a little bit. See how that is? I'm gonna cook 4 at a time. When your patties are ready to be flipped over, just make sure it's just kind of brown around the edges here. And that lets you know that it's brown on that side. So we're gonna go ahead and flip these. See how nice and brown those are. how pretty that looks? I always put mine on a paper towel when I'm taking them out. I put them on paper towel to take out the excess oil that may be in it. Okay. It looks delicious. Okay, so this is a reveal of our hot water cornbread. Please try this at home. It's such an easy and quick recipe. And don't forget to like and leave me a comment if you wish. Okay, so I'm going to say bye-bye. I hope y'all have a blessed and safe day. May God bless you.